Are your dolls getting too childish and dull for you? Are they outdated and not themed correctly to keep up with the popular trends in society? Well, look no further, because I've got the next best thing that will never be uncool. Biodiversity Barbie is everything you could want in a doll. She's got style, intelligence, and fantastic pipetting skills. Biodiversity Barbie can do so much that other dolls can't. She and her esteemed research team wanted to show off her superb skills.
OMG, Ken just told me about the craziest thing ever. It's called the hygiene hypothesis, and it's totes interesting.
The hygiene hypothesis states that with humans spending more and more time indoors and inputting so many extra antibiotics, their microbial cloud is not as diverse as before, which is making their immune system weaker, ultimately making people more susceptible to autoimmune diseases.
This is most commonly seen through the rapid increase of asthma and allergies.
First, Barbie and her team had to look into what exactly made up this microbial cloud. The Human Microbiome Consortium conducted a massive investigation of 242 individuals to identify and attempt to explain their combined 4,788 microbes found by sampling different areas of their body. These microorganisms exhibited relationships that link to how the body deals with homeostasis through oxygen and pH levels in the body. The authors did, in fact, address the problem that we don't know the true benefits of these microbes. We just know the correlations, and more studies need to be done.
Experiment, we took a magnified look at microbes from both outdoor and indoor locations to compare their biodiversity and activity. We swabbed samples from various locations outside and inside. We also collected samples and pipetted them into the ecoplate that contained 31 carbon sources to test with. We then ran the ecoplate through a microplate spectrophotometer to detect how the intensity of the purple indicator dye was changed by our samples. We then used this data to calculate metabolic activity, functional richness, and species diversity.
Hansky and his team did an extensive study of the healthy and atopic children in Finland to examine their environments and see if there was a correlation. The study proved to be helpful in understanding the hygiene hypothesis more thoroughly. In the environments of the kids who had allergies, microbial biodiversity was significantly lower than the environment of the healthy kids. This is due to the fact that they had not built up a tolerance via a microbial cloud to certain irritants by spending adequate time outside and/or over-disinfecting surfaces in the home. So being exposed to these microbes can actually stimulate an immune system rather than hinder it.
Barbie discovered that when comparing the metabolisms of outdoor and indoor sources, the outdoor samples proved to have more active metabolisms. The tree bark, squirrel hole, and snow had the greatest differences.
The metabolism of the bacteria in the more natural environments were noticeably higher than the metabolism of the bacteria on indoor surfaces and outdoor human-impacted surfaces. The bacteria of the outside sources also seemed to be more unique and specific to those sources. Being outside can help stimulate your microbial cloud to help you fight off infections. Do these results mean we should become dirtier people?
Because a small radius was sampled, our data can't speak for the overall city environment. We know that microbes are present around us, but we really don't know their true significance. We can't make any assumptions about disorders that are supposedly from microbial activity. However, we do know that microbial activity is more prevalent outside.
Biodiversity Barbie is only $19.99 plus shipping and handling. Call now and we'll throw in a free eco plate.